Hello! At the end of this video, you will be able to understand why the Godot documentation is actually the most underrated tutorial for beginners. Obviously, if you don't even know the basics of Godot, you should watch any of the first videos that pop up when you search for Godot tutorial on YouTube. I personally recommend watching the videos of Rakis. There is not a lot of videos, but his introductions to Godot are very good and easy to understand. I guess you could also watch one of those so-called ultimate introduction to Godot that are very complete, but also very long to watch. Well, if you prefer it that way, the one I would recommend is the video of Clear Chord. And when you understand the basics of Godot, you absolutely need to read the Godot documentation, especially the best practices part and the optimization. Unfortunately, the Godot documentation is not perfect. It does not cover every problem that you could have. That's why you may want to save the playlist How to Godot from Devlog, because it could be very useful for later. Anyway, if you need any help for your game, or if you want to be a beta tester for my game, you can join my Discord. Have a nice day.